from YourSixTech. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to join a message group party chat, and this will automatically send an invite to everyone in that specific party chat on your PS5, and then you don't have to invite them individually. And this is probably the best way to start up a party chat, so you don't have to go ahead and go through the extra steps. So press the PlayStation button and then go on down to the game base. Then you want to go to messages to access your groups and then find the group. Now if you don't have a group, you can go up to the top and go to new messages and then just select all the individual friends to your group. Otherwise you can go to play together, or you can search for friends, so your people we played with recently, or we can just add someone who's not even our friend. Now once we have the group created though, this is where it gets really cool. So we can go to it now, we can select it, and we can go to the start a party symbol right here. And if we start a party, well, everyone in that message group is now just receiving an invite to join the message group. And we can freely go into this group and back out at any point in time, and no invites are needed. So in a regular group, you would have to go to invite right here and then invite them to that specific group. So this person just joined, they were playing Minecraft, and now what we could also do is add this as a favorite. So if I back out here, we can go to add to favorite and add it to the section up top. So to do this, we want to go to the three little dots and then go to add to favorites. If I back out now, it's going to be on the top, so we can easily access in the future. And then we can go to more options right here, and we can go to group settings. And we can change the image right here. Let's do, I don't know, maybe something like Master Chief. Select this, and then we can add this and save it. So we can rotate it, crop it, move it around, and get the image exactly where we want. Then we can change the group name too. Let's do random team or something like that. Random team. And then that will be now the official name of the team. And then we can go down to OK. And then back out. You can see it's called Random Team, and Master Chief is the symbol now for it. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on YourSixTech.